Hey crafty critters! Today we're going to work on a really inexpensive and quick craft project. It's actually a money gift box. So if you want to give somebody money for Christmas, here's a quick, easy way to do it. And it's actually pretty cute. So let's get started. Now for this one, we're going to make a little box that you can gift money in. So just take any box you have, tape it closed, wrap it with gift wrap. Now we're going to cut a slit in the top, the width of a dollar bill. Actually a little bit wider to make sure it's easy to put in. And then we're just going to take our money and put them end to end and tape it. Put the whole row of however much money you're going to put in your box. And then tape the back side to keep them together. Cut that one a little crooked. Now you just slide it into the slit you made in the box. It'll curl up inside of there. And then we've got to put a little pull on top for them to pull it out. And I have this book, this little booklet of all these really cool Christmas stickers. And so I'm going to use one that's really big, but I'm going to show you how we're going to fix it so that it will stand up. Got a piece of cardstock that I'm going to put on the back side of it. And I'm just going to trim around it, trim it up a little bit. And then I'm going to cut off the bottom corners so that they will fit down in the slit. And then just stand it up. That's all there is to it. And whenever they get ready to unwrap, they just pull it out. And you also could do it with the toilet paper roll. I'm always looking for inexpensive ways, and nobody's ever going to know it's a toilet paper roll or a stevia box because they're not going to care about the packaging once they pull their money out. They're just going to throw the packaging away. So you just put it in the same way and then just wrap the roll. I'm using cardstock so it's kind of stiff, but if you use wrapping paper, then you could just twist up the ends to make it like the little candy roll. But since I'm just trying to show y'all how to do it, I'm just going to tape this across the top and tuck in the ends just to give you the visual of how it would look. But it's really cuter if you make it like the little candy roll with the squished up ends with the little ribbon tied around each end. So there's the little box and there's the little toilet paper roll. Don't forget to hit the like, please, 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 please. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.